welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. So, the moment that I saw the preview for Netflix's Ratched, I was in love with that hair. It's so stunning, so unique. So I knew right away, before I even watched the show, that I wanted to try that hair. I have now been watching it when I can handle the intensity, which is not often, but and I read something really interesting about the original character in the 1970s movie, that her victory rolls are like right here on the top of her head, and people said it looked like devil horns. Little horns. But this hairstyle is very, very different. And Loepsy has already done a version of it, and I really enjoyed her video. It came out looking beautiful and just really fit the times, but it was lacking the things that I found the most intriguing about Sarah Paulson's version. The first being that the victory rolls are not really visible at the front. There's two that go kind of back here, and she's always wearing a cap or a hat, so it's very hard to see, but I did find a photo of Sarah Paulson getting ready in makeup, so it showed that part of the head. But the thing that I liked the most was that the roll at the bottom just goes really far up. It's not just down here, it's like all the way up to her ears. So I'm very intrigued by that. So we're gonna give it a go and see what happens. Now, traditionally, to form, actually let me see if I can get more balanced light here. Don't fall, please. We'll see how that goes. Traditionally, to form victory rolls, you just roll with your fingers or with a device that you then pull out and pin. But on super long hair, that is very hard. So I have done a video before about this trick that I learned, and this is what I'm going to be doing today, is using these bun forms that I have cut apart. And we're going to wrap hair around that to create victory rolls. I think I have plenty of pins. We'll see. So, to start with, there's two sections that are smaller. Trying to keep those even, but I'll start with this one. I'm actually realizing that these parts might not actually be victory rolls on her. It might just be kind of formed into like a pin curl, more flat against the head. So I'm not really sure on that one, but victory rolls is what I tried. Spread out over the form and attach it towards the back, right around my crown. I think on her they might be a little closer together, but go with that. Definitely gonna need a hat to put on top of these to make them look not ridiculous. But let's see what happens with our extra long one. Limits of long hair. Can't always reach the ends very effectively. Should I go the wrong way again? I think it did. maybe I should have done this part first. Alright, so let's see. I don't want to roll that way. I want to roll to visualize how this is going to end up. Do you want to roll this way? Yeah, okay. Spreading it out as I go. And change where I'm holding it here because there's too much. Oy. Almost. What am I going to do about that? I'm definitely going to have to redo these. I think I'm just going to, well, I'll keep them there for now and redo them after. Okay, let's maybe start to the side a little bit. That's a little bit better. Now I'm going to redo these ones. Hairspray would help with this. I don't have hairspray, but I am going to try using some aloe vera gel. Maybe on these I'll do it before rolling. remember which way to turn. Okay, yeah, this thing on top. Ooh, not too bad from the front. I have no idea what it looks like in the back, but yeah. And then of course she put her cap right here, so it's very smooth in the front. Here comes the 4-year-old, I think. Be sure to check the link in the description box to sign up for my weekly roundup newsletter. You're going to get a few goodies like an exclusive hairstyle tutorial, a free printable, and the opportunity to purchase my ebook, Hair Oils and How to Use Them, at half price. So again, link is in the description box, and I look forward to seeing you next time.